Labup Kids Learning.
What animal can see very well at night? It's a cat. Cat. A cat has a soft body and can move very quietly. A cat cleans itself by licking its fur.
What animal has a hard shell on its back? It's a turtle. Turtle. A turtle moves slowly and lives a long life. A turtle can swim in the water and walk on land.
What animal loves to guard the house? Dog! A dog has strong legs and can run very fast. A dog can understand people's words and feelings.
What animal is small, can fly, and likes to bite people? It's a mosquito. Mosquito. A mosquito has thin legs and long wings. A mosquito drinks blood from humans and animals.
What animal has black and white stripes on its body? It's a zebra. A zebra. A zebra looks like a horse but has stripes. A zebra lives in groups and runs very fast.
What animal can crawl on walls and regrow its tail? It's a lizard. Lizard. A lizard likes to stay in warm places. A lizard has dry skin and a long tail.
What animal has two horns and likes to climb hills? It's a goat. Goat. A goat has a beard and short hair. A goat likes to eat grass and leaves. What animal has a long body and no legs? It's a snake. Snake. A snake moves by slithering on the ground.
A snake can hiss and catch small animals for food.
What animal has a very long trunk? It's an elephant. An elephant. An elephant has big ears and a huge body. An elephant can use its trunk to grab food and drink water. What animal has long ears and can jump fast? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. A rabbit loves to eat carrots and vegetables. A rabbit has soft fur and a small, cute body.
What animal makes honey and lives in a hive? It's a bee. Bee. A bee has yellow and black stripes on its body. A bee collects nectar from flowers to make honey.
What animal has orange fur with black stripes? It's a tiger. Tiger. A tiger has sharp teeth and strong claws. A tiger can run fast and hunt very well.
What animal has colourful wings and can fly from flower to flower? It's a butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. A butterfly has a small body and beautiful wings. What animal makes a web to catch insects? It's a spider. A spider. A spider has 8 legs. A spider can spin silk to make its web.
What animal has a pouch and can jump very far? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. A kangaroo has strong legs and a long tail. A kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch.
What animal can climb trees and loves to eat bananas? It's a monkey. A monkey.
A monkey has a long tail and clever hands. A monkey can jump from tree to tree easily.
What animal cannot fly but can swim very well? It's a penguin! Penguin!
A penguin has black and white feathers. A penguin walks in a funny way and loves the cold.
What animal is small, strong, and works in groups? It's an ant. Ant. Ants live together in a big nest. An ant can carry things much heavier than itself.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.